John Link.
And Grady Powell.
Coming at you from beautiful Hazelwood, Missouri here on this Saturday morning.
Now this is Apache Village. We've got 2 locations in the St. Louis area. We're about to build another over in O'Fallon. We've been in the RV industry in St. Louis for about 50 years now.
So this was actually my grandpa's original location. You can't come here without running into friends of family or family. How many of us are here?
I think there's 7 blood-related people at our location.
Yeah. What we hang our hat on is our average tenure and our service philosophy, and that is to make sure every customer comes here has the best buying experience and the best service experience possible. That's what we hang our hat on.
Now, we've got everything from the smallest little single axle teardrops all the way up to giant diesel pusher motorhomes and everything in between. And we're here to help you guys get on your camping adventure.
Absolutely. So it doesn't matter if you're a first timer or if you're a grizzled vet of the road, we want to see you up here. I think for first timers, it's very important to mention when we do your inspection, the gentleman that does that inspection on your new camper is going to be doing your orientation, which is one of the most important parts of the process.
At some dealerships, you're going to go in, shake a hand on a price, and you're going to find hidden fees. Things like teaching you how to use your unit, the delivery charge, getting it from the manufacturer to the dealership, and then the prep charges, getting the unit up to a standard for you to use. You're never going to find that here at Apache Village.
Yeah, upfront, transparent pricing. And we're not pushy, guys. We want you to come up here. We are RV outfitters. I don't think a salesperson is the right description of what we actually do. Come up here, walk around. Let's look at some fun toys out here. We want to get you out on the road to have a good time. That is our #1 motivation. And it's to earn a lifetime customer. We're not coming out here trying to sell you something. We want to have a lifetime customer. We are a referral-based business. We always have been. We don't spend a ton of money on marketing. We bought this fancy camera for YouTube. But that's about it. We rely on you guys to go sit around the campfire with your friends, say, hey, Grady was an awesome guy. I enjoyed my experience there. You should go see them at Apache Village. John, I don't know about him, but he seems kind of nice. I don't know, maybe go buy one from him too.
Yep.
But that's what it's been all about for 50 years. You know, and that's how we do it.
And we've talked a little bit about the sales side of things, but service, that is massive. Now, at Apache Village, we want our customers to have priority service. Back in the day, my father-in-law had open service to anybody who owned an RV. He would take every unit, any unit, but we realized that our customers were spending too long with their units in our waiting lot, and they're not enjoying their unit out on a camping adventure. So we shut that down. We want you and your camper to be ready to roll, ready to hit the road at a moment's notice.
Yeah, absolutely. And priority service, to get really granular on this, what that means is we never want you to miss a camping trip. If you're packing up on a Thursday night, planning on leaving on Friday morning, and your fridge isn't working, your AC isn't working, anything that will stop you from going on that enjoyable trip with your family, on your valuable, hard-earned vacation time, you call us, we will squeeze you and get you up here, do everything within our power to make sure you don't miss that camping trip.
Yeah, if we have that part or we can get it fast enough, we will get it in. And sometimes that even means going into one of our brand new units, robbing a part, getting it into your unit so you guys can hit the road.
Sorry, Garrison. He's our service manager. But hey, we just want to earn your business. Family owned and operated since 1976 up here in Hazelwood, Missouri. Grandpa started the business. We used to be the biggest Coleman pop-up dealership in the country.
Well, now we're the biggest.
These big boys.
We're the largest Jayco fifth wheel dealer in North America, and we're trying to keep that running.
Absolutely.
Now we're in the middle of camping season. Now you're going to see a lot of these events coming up at the big box dealers. They're going to hit you with the low price leaders. And to be honest, the old saying is, if it seems too good to be true, it probably is.
Probably is.
You might see a sticker price that's very attractive, but what you got to pay attention to is when you hit that sales office, they're going to hit you with freight charges, prep charges, delivery charges, or just teaching you how to
rate on the financing on the back end. They're going to make it up.
You're never going to find that at Apache Village. My father-in-law's always had upfront pricing. What you see is what you get. What you see is what you pay for.
Through today, through Monday after next weekend, we're running a special. Every new unit in our inventory, $500 off right off the top. You're getting a discount the second you show up here. We want to earn your business, especially you first timers. You're trying to buy your first camper. Let's get you out here. We know you can go somewhere else and buy something for a lot cheaper. But like Grady said earlier, if it seems too good to be true, it probably is.
Yep.
Everything we sell on this lot is from a reputable manufacturer that we've had a relationship with for a very long time. We've worked with Keystone for over 20 years. We've worked with Jayco since 1988. We've worked with Fleetwood for over 20 years. We just took on a new brand, Bontrager Outdoors. But guess what? It's the Jayco family.
Yep. The Bontrager, the younger generation of the Bontragers weren't ready to be out of the industry yet, so they started Bontrager Outdoors. And if you know anything about Jayco, it's the cream of the crop, the best of the best. The warranty is untouched. 2 years, essentially bumper to bumper, 3 years on your structure. You're not going to touch that. And Bontrager's being built by the same family who started the Jaycos.
Yeah, vacuum bonded walls, all the high quality construction you'd see in anything else that's top of the line, Asdale, everything else. So
now we all know that a camper is going through an earthquake when it goes down the road.
And a tornado.
And a tornado. Really?
Yeah, kind of.
Right.
I mean, an EF1 maybe,
Yeah.
I don't know. You want to get technical?
Well, the point is, service and having a service team to back you and your camper up through the lifetime of your ownership is extremely important. At Apache Village, we've got tenured employees who've been doing this for their career. It's not somebody who comes in, learns a little bit about the trade, and leaves. We've got, what do you think, 200 plus years of service?
Oh, it's unbelievable. And families working in there. We have Craig, Dirk, and Lance in there, so we got a whole family inside the service center working together. Dave Garrison, our service manager, has been in the industry for, he'll tell me, longer than I've been alive.
That's probably true.
It is true.
Yeah.
It's close. Getting a little gray now. But the point is, we have very tenured people that know our products. We don't flip-flop brands all the time. Our brand loyalty to our manufacturers is unsurpassed. And the gentlemen that work in this service center right here, they know how to work on these. They are here to support you. Thank you. Have a great day.
Bye.